I haven't seen this way since the great rain of 2023. I still remember it. But I think the great rain of 2023 ain't over yet. Cause look! Wait, that's not Dad. That's... Wow. This is bad. Wait. Holy crap. This is a hell rain. This is hell's rain right here. Literally, what the heck? And it's getting worse! What? The agility truck! Now he's gonna give me agility if I want it. My god! My neighbor's house! The power line! The trees! Oh my lord, guys! It is the teardrop. Oh my god! Oh my god, teardrop, you're watching this? Please stop! Teardrop! Stop it! I'm sorry! I won't make any more hate or rant about you. Please don't curse me. I promise, Cloudy. Make it stop. I promise. I'll make a shrine for you. Stop cursing my heart.